Hello everybody and welcome to this vending machine video. Okay, we have the camouflage Batman Arkham Knight with a Subaru Impreza behind. Then we have two Tech Heuer Porsche edition. I don't know what is this. It's a racing car. And I want to buy the car behind, the Honda N600. We have a green pickup truck, a Camaro, another Tech Heuer, a Corvette, a Big Air Bel Air, Chevy Bel Air Gasser, another pickup truck, and this camouflage Silverado, Audi, another Corvette, and this Dodge Viper is a super treasure hunt. Sorry, correction, it's a regular treasure hunt. You can see the logo on the hood. Then we have this Nissan Ford GT Racing Lancia Delta in black, Ryzen Express, Jaguar, another Audi convertible, Jeep, and we have a lot of Jurassic Parks here. Then we have the Forza, then we have Mario Kart and Hot Wheels. I don't know what theme is this. Now there is the Honda behind this Jurassic Park Jeep. So do I buy this or do I buy this? Tech Heuer Porsche Edition, Hot Wheels Green Speed. I think it means battery powered racing car. I think the Jurassic World Jeep is more appealing. So I shall buy number 43. And I will buy, yep, so thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.